Hey, everybody, it's Robin from Robin with Rover. And you know what? We have exactly 100 days until Christmas. I know. It's mind-boggling to even think of it. But I decided that I'm going to do a celebration. A celebration of the 100 days before Christmas. I know. It's going to be a lot. But I've got so many cool things in store for you guys. So here's the deal. Every single day between now and Christmas, all 100 days, I'm putting up a video. Right? So this is the plan. This is the goal. Every day of the week is going to have a different subject. As of right now, I am thinking on Thursdays, we're going to watch a movie together. We're going to watch a Christmas movie. And that will be a live. So every Thursday, we will have a live with watching a Christmas movie. That's going to be fun. And I've got a whole list of Christmas movies. One day a week, as of right now, I think it's going to be Tuesdays. We're going to have a recipe. We're going to have an easy recipe. And most of the time, they'll be using, how do we do that? Like other products and turn it into this product. But sometimes there'll be a scratch recipe. And I'm looking at desserts. I'm looking at snackies. I'm looking at appetizers. There's a few drinks in there. Occasionally there is a dinner or, like a full meal type thing. But they're all going to be easy. And my plan is to let you know what it costs me to make the recipes. And if I can figure it out, I'll give you some basic nutritional information. That may or may not happen, depending on how hard that ends up being. So every Tuesday, we'll have a recipe that we can make together. Every Wednesday, we're going to have a quick crochet project that we should be able to get done in a week so that we can show it off on by the next week. Okay? So Tuesday's recipe day. Wednesday, we'll start a new crochet project that we can work on Thursdays while we're watching our movie live, working on our project, and eating whatever recipe we made that week. On Fridays, we will have an overview of the movie we just watched and maybe a catch-up, talk about what we thought about the recipes, things like that. Saturday is going to be, I'll be at the shop, and I'm going to try to show you some cool new Christmassy type things that we have in the shop each week. We'll see how that goes, because I don't have a lot of new things, Christmassy type things. It might just be new things that we have available. On Sunday, we are going to put up a vote for what movie to watch that week. So I'll give you 3 choices, and we can just vote to see which movie that we want to watch the next week. So on Sunday, we'll be able to vote on Thursday's movie, and I'll give you the options. And it'll just be one of those things where you just click the little button to pick the one that you want. And then on Monday, we're going to show off the project that we made, that we started. And we'll talk about what you need for next week's project if you want to follow along with the crochet projects. Again, these are all going to be smallish things. Some things you'll be able to give for Christmas presents, stocking stuffers. Maybe those cute little gift card holders. Maybe it'll be an ornament. You just never know. I've got a list of items that I've been gathering up, but I haven't picked all of the ones that I want to use. Now, will we be able to do this every day? I sure hope so. I can tell you right now, right off the bat, the first week of October, I'm going to be at the Yarny Social. So that movie day, which would be the 3rd of October, we're not going to be able to do because I will be at the Yarny Social. So possibly I'll switch things around that week, and maybe the recipe or maybe the crochet item will come up that day, and we'll switch it with movie day on another day. But for the most part, that's the schedule. So it'll go like this. On Monday, I'm going to show you what we made last week on our project and tell you about the new project and tell you what yarn you need for the new project. On Tuesday, we're going to have a recipe, and I'll tell you what stuff you need to get for that recipe. On Wednesday, we're going to start our crocheted project. So I'll tell you what it is. We'll have the pattern available, and we'll start the crocheted project. Thursday, we're going to watch our movie. Friday, we'll have a recap of all the stuff that we did. Saturday, I'll be showing you the new stuff we get in the store, plus talking about this and that. And then Sunday, we'll be picking out our new movie for the next week, and again, talk about chit chat, whatever comes up. Obviously, some days are going to be longer than others. If you are following along, it's going to be important that you put a comment in the video, because throughout this time frame, I'm going to be picking random videos and giving away prizes to people who made comments. So it's really going to help if you watch the video and leave a comment. I would love it if you would share this information out to other people. The more the merrier, and especially when we start to watch the movies. This is going to probably be a daytime thing where we watch the movie in the daytime. I know for a fact that my Thursday evenings I end up working a lot. So, and things are going to come up. Things are going to get in the way over the course of 3 months. There's, something's going to happen. But for right now, that's the schedule. So I really hope you guys will join in. Please tell me if you think this is going to be fun. And if you have any ideas on how I could do something different, or if you have ideas of something you'd like me to add to this process, although it's pretty full already. I would love to hear your thoughts and your comments on this one. Even today, you're going to want to put a comment down below, because you never know which of the videos are going to get chosen for a random draw on comments. Please let me know what you think. I'm very, very interested. As of right now, the only one that'll be alive will be the Thursday where and we're going to do it in the same style as like when we watch bingo, where I can be off to the side, and then we've got the video will be playing. And I've only chosen movies that I can access for free from the different platforms that I have, Netflix and things like that. And so even if you guys have suggestions for movies, it may be something that I can't access, but we'll sure give it a try. I'll give it my best shot. So there you have it. The 100 Days of Christmas. I really hope you'll join in, even if it's not every day. I think most days the video is only going to be a few minutes long. The day we're cooking and the day that we're watching the video, of course, those will be longer days. Please, please, please give me your comments. Let me know your thoughts on this, and we'll see you tomorrow. Merry almost Christmas. Bye. It's me again. Okay, right off the bat, what I planned to do was to tell you what you need for our crochet project, which I forgot to say. So we are going to need a kitchen cotton, some kind of 100% cotton. Doesn't matter what brand, and it doesn't even matter if it's 100% because it's not a kitchen item we're making. So if you've got a blend, that'll work, and you won't need a whole lot. A couple hundred yards is going to be more than enough. So if you've got a partial skein of something sitting around, that'll be plenty. Any color you want. I would use a solid color, but an ombre will work as well. And then whatever crochet hook goes with that, And grab one size smaller too, because sometimes when we're doing these kind of projects, a size smaller works a little better. So you need some cotton and a crochet hook. That's it. You know, scissors, needle for sewing in your ends, all that junk. But that stuff's a given on any project. Okay, so you're going to need that for Wednesday to start our small crochet project. See, I already forgot the process, but we'll get better at it. All right, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be cooking. I'm so excited what we're going to be making. Okay, bye.